friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to add hover effect on an image in Elementor in WordPress, right? As you can see, I am into the Elementor, right? I am creating a new page using Elementor, and let us create a container first. And for creating container, there is a plus icon showing in front of us in the middle of the screen. So I'm going to click on this, and here we can simply select the flex box. And for example, I'm just selecting the third one, flex box, that is select your structure, or first one, or the direction column. Okay, I have selected this one. So here we are going to add image in this container. So I'm just going to edit this container. As you can see, a 6 dot button just above the container. I'm going to click on this to edit the container, and here in the left side toolbar we have three kinds of settings. The first one is layout settings, the second one is style, and the third one is advanced, right? We need to go to the style settings, and here in the background, like a normal and hover, two kind of settings are present over here. So first of all, add the normal image, right? So in the background type, we have selected the classic and choose image, and here I have selected this image, right? And clicked on select, and as you can see, the container height is lesser than the image height. So I need to go to the layout and increase the height of the container. So let me increase it. Okay, I've increased it to 406 pixel, right? We can also go back to the style settings again, and in the background settings, in the normal, we are going to change the position of this image like custom, and a little bit in the upward direction. So that's why I'm just decreasing the Y position. Okay, it's all set, right? Now I just want to add the hover effect. As you can see, whenever I move my cursor on the image, as this is a normal image with no hover effect, so image is not getting changed, right? But I just want to add the hover effect. So again, I am into the container settings, edit container, and here in the style, as you can see, I have just uploaded a background image as a normal. Now going to the hover settings in the background setting itself, and here I'm going to select the classic again, and here it is asking me to choose an image, and I will click on choose image. And here, for example, I just want to add this image, right? Or this image, or this image, or this image. Okay, let me select this one. Okay, done. Now I will click on select. Okay, the image has been selected, and now when I move my cursor over there, so you can see the image is changing, right? Whenever I move my cursor on the image, right, the normal background image, then automatically hover effect is there and image is getting changed, but the image position is not good, right? So I need to scroll down in the left side toolbar under the hover settings. I just need to click on display size and make it to cover, right? Now you can see the photo is getting covered, and now I just want to improve the position of this image, right? So under the hover setting itself, in the position, I will choose the custom settings, and here I will simply increase the Y position, and as you can see, the image is getting downwards, right? So I will decrease the Y position, and as you can see, the image have been moved upward but more, so I need to decrease it a little bit. Okay, the image is set perfectly. So this is how you can add hover effect in Elementor in WordPress, right? We can also set the transition duration. Okay, I have increased a little bit more, and as you can see, the hover effect has been added to our background image in Elementor in WordPress, right? So this is how you can add hover effect on any image in Elementor on WordPress. Apart from it, if you want to learn more about Elementor, then I have added my blog link in the video description. You can simply visit our blog and read articles related to Elementor and can watch video tutorials over there. Apart from it, if you are interested in learning digital marketing in detail, then also I have added my website link in video description. You can simply visit our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.